ahead and tell me about your garden. What are the plants that you're growing?
This is the yellow plant.
This is the yellow plant right here?
Yeah, but I forgot it. And that's the same thing over there. And I have 2 onions.
You have 2 onions?
And then over here is some carrots.
Ah, yes,
And
carrots.
also a fuzzy dandelion.
A fuzzy dandelion.
And over here is my peas.
These are your peas. Are there any ready to pick today?
Let's see and find out. Can we pick this one?
Does it feel full for you? Let's feel it. Pick it. You can eat it.
Yeah. That just took from my tummy. His pea. Let's put in my garden for compost.
Yeah, we can put the pea pod in the garden for compost. Is that all for your tour?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
So,
Okay.
as you can see, I'm growing some cucumbers.
Cucumber. They're flowering. And
Yeah.
are they growing along this fence with their tendrils? Do you
Not
want to?
really.
No, okay. That's not your plan?
No. I'm just gonna let them do what they want.
Okay, what's next?
And we got some peas.
Okay, show me your
We
peas.
got some good ones. Our favorite first peas of the day.
Okay.
Nice and big.
Hold on, let me see them on the camera. There you go.
And we got some plants over here.
All right, do you know what these plants are?
No.
You have 2 here. This is one and this is a different one. Can I tell you the names?
Yeah.
So this one's called calendula. You say calendula?
Angela.
This one's marigold. You say marigold?
Marigold.
All right, what's next?
My cherry tomato.
Oh, let me look at the tomato.
Here.
Let me go on the other side. Okay, I
That's
see.
yours. That's yours. This is mine. I'm
Okay.
growing a nice cherry tomato.
Okay.
Don't know which one.
Okay. Okay, what are you talking about?
My carrots.
So, oh geez, I just ripped that cucumber off. That's right here. These are carrots.
These?
Nope.
These.
Yep. What did you say this one was?
Dill.
Yep.
We're going to start with my carrot.
Okay.
These are my carrots. I planted yellow, orange, and purple carrots.
Mm-hmm.
Flowers, I forgot what kind they were.
These are called calendula.
Oh, that's what it is.
Do you remember what the other ones are called in the back?
Marigold.
Yes, marigold. What do you want to show me next?
My peas.
Okay, let's go to the peas. Are there any ready?
This one?
Does it feel firm?
Feels
I'm looking at that one.
That one.
When you open it, I want to see it.
Pretty good.
All right, go ahead and show me this next one.
What are my potatoes?
Okay. Okay, show me this one.
These are my cucumbers, and they're the biggest plant ground so far.
Yeah, see their tendrils right here? They want to grab onto something. Do you think we could put them on the fence? Is that okay? All right, what's next?
My dill and radishes.
Dill and radishes. Yep. You're right. That's a radish. That's dill. What's this?
That's what?
This.
That might be cucumber.
No. That might be a squash.
Well, I didn't plant any squash.
This is a hollyhock. This is a flower. I don't know. We might have messed up and planted a squash. Tell me about this plant.
These are my tomatoes.
Oh, look what's in here. Look at that. My kids are using a gardening curriculum for kids called Dirt Academy Kids, and I will link a video if you want to take a look inside that curriculum. This is the textbook, and then it has a workbook and it has video lessons with it as well.